In this tutorial, we'll show you the features that you can use on the GOTAP landing page. Let's start with the Add to Contact menu. Here, you can easily share contact information such as phone numbers and email addresses. The beauty of GOTAP is that this information can be saved in just a few seconds. Moving on to another fantastic feature, sharing your social media profiles. You can seamlessly share your Instagram and WhatsApp profiles with just one click. If you need to add more social media accounts, no worries. Just head over to the settings section to customize your preference. Now let's explore the bottom menu. This is where you can share information through links, such as your website or portfolio. With GOTAP, it's all about making information accessible and easy to share.